Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp desktop when it is not connecting properly. First, close WhatsApp desktop completely. Now, restart your computer. This is a simple step that can fix temporary connection or app problems. After your computer starts again, open WhatsApp desktop and check if it connects normally. If WhatsApp is still not connecting, we can check the app settings in Windows. Open Windows Settings, then click on Apps and select Installed Apps. Now, use the search box and type WhatsApp. Find WhatsApp in the list. Next, click the three dots next to WhatsApp. If you see Advanced Options, click on it. You will now see different options for managing the WhatsApp application. Look for the Repair option. You can use Repair to fix some app problems without uninstalling WhatsApp. After checking the Repair option, open WhatsApp desktop again. Wait a few moments and check whether the application connects successfully. If WhatsApp is now connected, you can continue using it normally. If the problem is still there, make sure your computer has a stable internet connection. You should also check that WhatsApp is working properly on your phone. A simple restart, checking the installed app settings, and using the Repair option can help solve many common connection problems. Remember, you do not need to uninstall WhatsApp for these basic troubleshooting steps, and that's how you can fix WhatsApp desktop when it is not connecting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.